Hey guys, good morning! And actually, nagsisimula na umulan. Medyo makulimlim na nga, taka madilim na. So yeah. Yan, baka madilim yan And breakfast. Sorry, maingay na naman kasi nga hindi pa din ayos yung kusina. So yeah. Lugaw mode, tinapay mode. And ito kagabi tinira ko manghuan. Kasi nga hindi nga ako dinner. Tinira ko yung manghuan tsaka yung isang chocolate na flakes. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Yeah. Walang pasok.
Wala daw pasok. Wala pa namang ulan, pero sabi ko nga, it's better safe than anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay guys, let's eat.
Lugaw.
Yeah, vlog marathon. Daddy, may sakit. Yes. Kang kaso. Yan silang vlogs. At ako'y maglilinis na ang CR. CR mode. At medyo madumi na siya. So yeah. Linis mode, then ligo mode, then mamaya linis ang kwarto. Bahay mode. And tapos na ako maglinis ng banyo guys. Nakaligo na din ako. And kain na mode. Sinangag, sinangalian. Then pritong tilapia. And karanderian na naman to, ano?
Dagdag lang.
Dagdag mamaya yung ginataang halo-halo.
May sakit pa din si Daddy.
Yes.
Videohan!
Ano yan? Kanikwento mo?
Wala.
Nagkalikot daw sila ng kilikili. Kagabi.
Dali! Kakain ng ice cream! Ang hugasin kasi
Buksan mo. Sarap cake.
Baka madulas ha.
Sarap. Ooh.
This is mine.
Ano ba yan? Nakakuha pa sa video. Pasabog. Punit. Taka, alis na tayo.
Makain na. Kasi nga.
Pangalawa, ayaw na nila kumain. Si Mami
Pangalawa ko rin.
Pangalawa din. Parehas kami. Birthday party. Cake and ice cream. Yeah.
Naghahanap kami ng sinusulatan. Happy birthday Camille. Wala kami. Sarado
Ubus
na
na.
red ribbon. Sarado na Goldilocks.
Hindi, ubus na.
Ubus na pala sa Goldilocks.
Pero mas masarap yung binili nyo yung ano ba yun? Ubi ba yun?
Cookies.
Pandan.
Yeah, yun yung pandan mas masarap.
Masarap.
Oo, pandan.
Doon
Saan yung
yung
binili to?
Sa loob ng
Shopwise,
Shopwise.
165.
Mas mura yung pandan kasi walang ice cream sa iba.
Mas masarap yung pandan kung natikman nyo.
Masarap nga daw sabi ni Camille.
Boom! Sa Ed!
Uy, tama na.
Ay, tabi mo na.
Dami-dami pa.
Tawad lang pote.
Ayaw talaga magpatawad ni Mami.
Boom! Mga Claudine, ako habang may nakikita yung sila.
Sa Ed! Nga, pasok na sa rep.
Ikaw si Bebel, wala na? Wala na. Tago.
Gusto ko rin tayo isda, konti lang ulo.
Nga. Huwag na mag...
Hi! So yeah guys, we're flattening the green screen so that
Don't shoot me.
it will be smooth. Hi guys, so another experiment day. So this is our old sampayan. Gagawin ko siyang light stand para dito sa green screen, and this is a improvised reflector. This is a foil, then a folder.
Ayan, para matibay siya.
Improvised
Tada!
reflector. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, see this one guys? It's already attached because you know the lights included this clamp, so there's a plastic cup here, so I screwed it on this plastic so I can clamp it. See how brilliant is that? Okay, let's do this. So yeah guys, it's already lighted up. See the green screen here and this stand. Oh yeah, it's so bright. We haven't attached the reflector. We will just try to shoot what will be the result. So yeah guys, so yeah, here's the setup. Cool, yeah. And yeah, actually it's good. Yeah, I'm happy with the result. Even though this is DIY, we just need another light at the green screen, maybe here, pointing at the green screen. Because of the shadow, I want it to be almost perfect. But see this video guys, I'll attach it. Galo ka. Yeah, what's up? King. And yes, we're having a meeting. Topics to what we will be shooting, so stay tuned guys. This is a serious business. Yeah, this will be weekly basis, episode by episode at Yims TV PH, so watch out guys, we're getting ready. Hi guys, we're just shooting video episode.
Ay, sorry, tumili.
Wow.
Sorry.
Video episode of #trending at Yims TV PH.
Yes,
Yeah.
watch me.
So we will eat first because it's dinner time. Boom. Ginataang.
Halo-halo.
Ayan o, nakapangalan sa
What? Ginataang halo-halo by moms.
susunod gagawin ko dyan yung chicken pastel.
Chicken pastel. Guys, I'm here and ito yung pang, what do you call this one? Pang rebond. 1, 2, 3. Tama yung pinanood ko sa YouTube. I'm with Charlie. Yeah. And yes, sana maging okay. Yeah boy. Curling iron, hair iron, and blow dryer. Yeah. With my bike. Hi guys. Tapos na yung step 1. And nanonood siya ng vlog ko. Galing. So step 1, finish. 15 to 25 minutes. Actually, yung straight na agad siya. Ang galing eh. Galing. Maganda yung gamot. Stick ba?
Wala ka na ba iba?
Wala. Okay, so straight na yung buhok niya. Hindi pa napaplansya yan. Kakatapos ko yung i-blower ah. Diba? Nice yan. Plansyahin na natin. Hi guys, just a quick update. Dito na kami sa pangalawa. Yes. And naplansya ko na siya, di ba? Stig! Okay guys, step 2.
Uy, sira mo.
Bike ko kaya yan. What's up? Bike ko yan eh.
Hi. What's this? What happened?
Look, straight na yung hair niya.
Really?
Yeah,
You know how?
sure ako pa. Hindi nga ako pinagpawisan eh. Naks.
How?
Hi guys, we're just chilling out. And ito nga pala yung result ng Pakita muna natin sa kanila kasi sabi ko,
Hindi ako kasama dyan eh.
papakita ko eh. Oh, di ba guys? Pantay siya. Actually, hindi siya kita eh kasi gabi na nga. Pero pantay siya. Yeah boy, successful. Ganda-ganda naman talaga. And guys, look! Straight na siya. Lower na lang para mas matuyo. Pinagat ako ng lamok ah.
Salamat sa sa tiyaga. Salamat dahil nagtiwala ako sa'yo.
Oo. Pero tama ko, stig yung buhok niya.
Okay na. Ito uso na yung style eh.
Oo.
Ito.
Ganyan yun. Ganyan na talaga yun.
Ha?
Ay, tayo sa busy. Ano yung lalaro mo dyan, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am?
Game over.
Game over.
Magbabay ka na sa blower mo.
Oh, bye-bye, blower.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, towel.
Pigpita na.
Dinikit na ako. Thank you so much, kuya.
You're welcome. 500 ah.
Oh, sige.
And I'm home, guys. This is my pwesto again. And yes, I got home like 12 midnight already. That kind of bonding is like coloring hair of a two-person and then blow drying and ironing of hair, then blow dry again. So yeah, it's tiring, but it's a cool experience for me. That's my first time doing it, and not bad. The result is good. And actually, I saw the hair of Tita Virgie and Bogart. The color is great. Yeah, it's good. Erica told me that it's good in the sunlight. So yeah, I'm good, guys. I successfully did it once again. Another achievement for me. Experience, another skill, another to add to my portfolio. Joke. And yes, actually, yeah. That's it for today. And I don't know. Yeah, that's it for today. So I hope you enjoy today's vlog. If you guys are brand new, don't forget to subscribe. And yes, I hope we grow more. Yeah, I want the community to grow more because it makes me feel happy. Clap along if you feel like the way out. Yeah, I have 72 subscribers. Thank you very much to whom it may concern. And yes, that's it, guys. I'm talkative again. Why oh why? So yeah, I just want to know that I want you to see you guys once again on my next vlog. I hope you guys are doing great also. So yeah, signing out. Yim's vlog. See you guys when I see you. Hi, this is a very special shout out because I'm not wearing any shirt, and this is inspired by Mr. Froggy, the father of Kolokoy. Hi, shout out to Kolokoy, the youngest vlogger I know. Hi. Study hard and keep up the good work. Love your mother and father. Okay? If you want, guys, if you want to check out their vlog, links on the description box. Okay? Shout out to Kolokoy. Yeah.